you explain in broad terms what coral reefs are and what threats they face?
They are undeniably very important ecosystems, especially because of their biodiversity, and that's why they are called the tropical forests of the tropical seas, because they host about 25% of all the world's marine biodiversity, which is already, in fact, an extremely crucial role in maintaining and sustaining life. They cover an extremely small area, about 1% of the marine part, and less than 0.1% of the globe. In fact, they host this great biodiversity, and indeed in tropical areas, they provide numerous ecosystem services. So, among those benefits is coastal protection, especially during hurricane season. When we have healthy ecosystems where coral reefs are present, we have a greater positive response to protect human life and people's belongings.